Hi, I'm Bob. Welcome to the free Stata course that helps you with summary statistics and regression analysis using Stata commands. In the second module, we will explore data management. Today, we will discuss generating new variables from computation or functions. We will also look into commands that replace and rename existing variables. We continue to use the course data file BOB.dta. The dataset contains information on the U.S. workers between 25 and 54 years old who participated in the panel study of income dynamics PSID surveys. We describe it to find what variables are in the dataset. Suppose we want to generate a new variable, which is the log of the hourly wage. We type generate and then the new variable's name equals log hwage. The log is a mathematical function. We have created a new variable lhwage from a function. After that, we can use the summarize command to find summary statistics of this new variable. There is a variable age in the dataset. If we want to generate a new variable, the squared age, then we can type generate agesq equals age times age. We have generated a new variable from the computation. We can summarize it. We can check all the functions available in Stata by typing help functions. We click on the mathematical functions to view all of them. We find the exponential function, the logarithm function we just used, and many other functions. We use the replace command to change the existing variable's values. For example, if we want to change the unit of hourly wage to $1,000, we can type replace hwage equals hwage divided by 1,000. The values of hourly wages are reduced by 1,000 times. We use the summarize command to compare the values. We often use both the generate and replace commands to create a new dummy variable. For example, we can create a new dummy variable, college, to indicate whether people have received a college education. First, we assign a value of 0 to all the observations by typing generate college equals 0. Then, we replace it with 1 if the years of schooling are greater than 12. Now, we see that the variable college is a dummy variable with values 0 and 1, indicating whether the worker is college educated. We tabulate college to find the frequency of each category. Out of 4,183 workers in the sample, 2,857 have received at least some college education, which accounts for 68.3% of workers. Next, let's learn how to rename variables in Stata. When we describe the dataset, we find a variable named hwage, which is the hourly wage. If we want to change the variable's name hwage to hourly wage, we type readName, the old variable's name hwage, and then the new variable's name hourly wage. We can see that the variable has a new name when we describe the dataset. Assume that we want to add a suffix 2024 to all variables' names. We can do that by typing readName star 2024. The star sign means all variables. Now we see that all the variables' names end with 2024. If we want to remove the suffix, we can type readName star 2024 star. Now the suffix has been removed from all variables. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you tomorrow on the next topic. Goodbye. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.